What's up YouTube, my name is David and welcome to KD team. So today we are doing Kdenlive video editing. I'm going to show you how to edit video and image using this app, but today I'm just going to walk you through this app as I'll be dropping a series of video in this channel showing you how to edit in step by step using Kdenlive video editing. So to begin with our work today, I'm just going to show you the interface of Kdenlive video editing. Today we are not doing any editing stuff, but on other videos that I will be posting, I'll be showing you how to edit your videos, so image, including effects and all those stuff that you will need to edit your videos. So today I'm just gonna show you the interface of Kdenlive video editing and things you should know before starting using Kdenlive video editing. So to begin with our work, if your interface doesn't look like mine here, please just go this corner here and click editing. Then your interface will be the same as mine here. So as you see, this box here, it's called a project bin. That's where your video you want to edit will be when you extract it or you took it from your files, and it will be here on project bin. Then we have this box here, it's called a clip monitor. That's where your video will be before editing. That's where your video will show up before editing. And we have another box here, it's called a project monitor. That's where your video will be after editing. So that will be your final video showing up here after editing. So down here we have this row here with numbers at the top. We call it a track timeline. That's where you drag your video from project bin into a track timeline to edit it. So that's where you do most of your work here. That's where you do most of your work here, because you edit here. If you cut or you paste anything you want to add or effects, anything, you edit here, because that's where you take your video from project bin into a track timeline. And when you drag your video, you drag it into v1, which is video 1. We have video 2 at the top, but we drag it into v1. Down here at the same track timeline, we have a1, which represent audio 1, and we have audio 2. That's where your sound will be, and you can edit your sound. You can also drag another sound if you want to change a sound or you want to add a sound in your video. Then you drag it into a1. So that's how you edit your video and how you drag your video into edit space, which is this space here. Then at this corner here we have audio mixer. So we have audio 1 and audio 2. That's where you edit your sound. If you want it to have a higher sound at left speaker or at right speaker in audio 1, and same applies to audio 2. So you can edit it in a way you want here. That's where you edit your sound for your videos. Then we have this this bar here that have blue stripe here, I don't know. So it's a zoom button for track timeline. If you want to make it big, if your video it's big on track, or it has and like a lot of minutes, so you can adjust here on a zoom level to make it small or to make it big, so that you can edit it nicely. So that's it. So let's go at the top here. At the top here we have this bar here, but it is pretty much everything we have covered here at the interface. It's pretty much everything we have covered at the interface. And we have this button, this red button here. That's where you render your video. It means downloading your video, your final video that we have edited already. So you render it here. You just press this button, then make it mp4, then render it to file. Then it will already already downloading it. It will download it already, then deliver it to file. So that's pretty much it. But let me not forget to tell you about these buttons here. We have these two buttons here, which is selecting tool and razor tool. Those are the most important button we'll be using most in video editing, because you will be selecting it and cutting it. So that's other button that we should take note of. And also we have this button here. That's where you click and extract your file from files, from your desktop or computer or laptop. You just click on this button here, then it will open like this. Then you just select the video that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this video, then it will be like this. That's how it will be. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. I'll be dropping series of videos in editing videos and all things you will need, and tools you will need for Kdenlive video editing. Thank you so much.